Hey folks, it's time to talk about something serious, cybersecurity. Specifically, a new global threat called Lucid that's now knocking on the doors of West Houston businesses. Lucid is a phishing-as-a-service platform that's already targeted 169 organizations across 88 countries, and it's creeping closer to home. So, what makes Lucid so dangerous? This platform sends smishing messages through Apple iMessage and Android RCS. These modern messaging systems often bypass traditional SMS filters, making detection harder. Unlike typical phishing scams that rely on mass text messaging, Lucid uses trusted communication channels. This increases the chances that victims will fall for the scam. The Lucid platform represents a major shift in the phishing landscape, said the cybersecurity team at Impress IT Solutions. It's stealthy, scalable, and engineered to outsmart traditional defenses. Local businesses, especially those handling sensitive financial or customer data, need to be proactive. Here's the kicker. Lucid uses temporary Apple IDs with impersonated names and exploits flaws in RCS protocols. This makes their messages look legitimate. They prompt victims to click links or reply with simple commands like, "Why?" leading to stolen sensitive data. And what's the end goal? Harvesting credit card numbers, personally identifiable information, and more. Often they impersonate services like courier companies, tax refund agencies, and toll authorities. Now, you might be thinking, why should I care if this is a global issue? Well, Impress IT Solutions wants to stress that West Houston companies are not immune. Phishing campaigns target the US at scale. Automation and data leaks make it easy for attackers to cast a wide net. Every business in West Houston could be a potential target. We've already helped companies in the area identify and mitigate smishing attempts using similar tactics, said Impress IT Solutions. The sophistication of these campaigns means small to mid-sized businesses need enterprise-grade protections, and that's where we come in. So, what can you do to stay ahead of these threats? Impress IT Solutions recommends implementing advanced email and message filtering tools, using multi-factor authentication, MFA, across all accounts, training employees to recognize phishing attempts, even on mobile, partnering with a trusted cybersecurity provider for real-time monitoring and rapid response. If your company has noticed suspicious messages or is unsure about its current protections, Impress IT Solutions is ready to help. With a proactive approach and deep local expertise, we're committed to keeping West Houston safe from the latest cyber threats. Stay safe out there, folks. Until next time.